Hey, what's up guys? Today I want to show you how to make a tech pack using Illustrator. So here we are in Illustrator. I have this file that I use for all my tech packs. It's kind of like a template, so if you need it, go ahead and reach out to me and I'll send it to you. It's only for Illustrator. Everything's editable, text, everything's editable. It comes with a black and white shirt, front and back, but for this design, he's gonna want only a white shirt front. Through Los Angeles Apparel, and for this it's going to be LA Apparel white, and he's going to want it 15 inches tall, and let's go front 2 inches below collar. Okay, we can get rid of this. So now let's go ahead and place the design. He wanted about 15 inches. And that is going to be up 15 inches. We can match the colors right, so there's going to be no underbase. It's a white shirt, no highlight white. And we're going to grab it from here. The Pantone is going to be 187. So 187. If you want to get accurate Pantones, there is this Pantone book, Pantone Coded. It works really well for screen printing. But yes, so that's that. And then for the sizes, we'll change this to white. We wanted 4 medium, 9 large, 7 XL, and 5 2XL for a total of 25. And that's basically it. It can get a lot more complicated than this, but this is a good start for just showing you what the capabilities are and why tech packs are kind of important. It shows you what it would look like, what the blank is, what color the blank is, the sizes, where you want it in the Pantones. It makes everything simpler for both parties. So if you want this file, go ahead and just let me know and I'll reach out to you and send that to your way. But thank you for watching, and until next time.